we have a very emotional bond. He's my friend, he's my guru.
Yes, first of all, congratulations for the promo. It is awesome,
Thank
fantastic,
you.
and I must say, I'm the first show audience for this movie.
Thank you
Wow,
very, very
thank
much.
you.
So much.
Thank you.
And talking about this whole year, you guys working for the project, I guess three or
Yes,
more than
3 years.
years,
Yeah.
and finally the film going to release. So, are you guys still nervous or excited for the movie?
Definitely a lot of excitement first, because obviously we've, like you said, it's 3 years. It's a lot for actors to be part of, and obviously a lot has gone through in making of this film. And I mean, obviously, like, we are the first audience that we are as excited to finally see the film along with the audiences in the cinemas.
Um, was it more challenging, or is it kind of means a dreamy world into playing Avantika for you?
आई थिंक हम सबके लिए इट वॉज अ बिग लाइक एवरी डे क्या होने वाला था किसी को भी आइडिया नहीं थी आई थिंक राजमौली सर को छोड़ के एंड एक बहुत अच्छी बात यह है कि सेट पे आने के बाद सर के जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस थे बहुत ही प्रिसाइज थे कॉम्प्लिकेटेड से कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सीन वो बहुत ही सरलता से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं और समझाते हैं एंड इट बिकम्स ईजी टू डू बिकॉज ऑफ हिम and what is much he would actually try everything himself before making us do it so अगर कुछ रिस्की होता है तो पहले वो खुद उसमें वो परफॉर्म करके फिर हमें उसमें डालते हैं sometimes of course there are a lot of stunt people who were doing it but many a times he himself used to try it which is really really amazing I think कोई भी शायद डायरेक्टर ऐसा नहीं करे because sometimes it's risky and things can go wrong but the kind of care they've taken because it's an action film it is a war film rather so it in a lot of action a lot of time has been spent on only doing action so it's been an amazing experience a great learning experience very very nourishing
You worked with Rajamouli sir before.
Yeah.
What sort of changes you feel you
Yeah.
took from him as a director after the film?
See, Rajmouli is like improved after every film. Chhatrapati is a good film. It's a good hit there in Telugu, but this is like some 10,000 times bigger than Chhatrapati. See, this for this film, it is like it's not easy to make a film like this because every experiments there are like so many experiments in the film. Like they have never done such like huge things, huge sets. And for example, there's a statue you can see in the trailer, that 100 feet statue. When they're trying to lift, they put 2 industrial cranes to lift it, and they couldn't lift it. The cranes were like lifting up and all. And they put 4 industrial cranes. It took almost 4 days to shoot that shot. So it is like lot of experience were like very new for them. And maybe in Hollywood, in the same scene, if you would have done, they would have had so much of plan and so many techniques because they have already done these kinds of films. And here it is like, because it's the first time, it was very tough for the technicians, and Rajmouli, like, we should really appreciate this fellow.
During the narration, he asked for an year, I guess, and you are going, okay, I'm giving you 2 years of it. What is that story exactly?
See, Rajmouli and me are like, we have a very emotional bond. He's my friend, he's my guru, he's like something else for me. He's a very important person. But Rajmouli is always, he'll always select 10 days or 20 days, but it never happens. Because this scale of film, we know, it's not easy to make. And Rajmouli told me, like, in 1 year we're going to do it. I said, no, it's not going to happen in 1 year. No, it's taken 3 years for the film to be done. So he's like, and because I know him, so I like, don't worry, just do it.
Well, Taman, as you said during the launch, that this is something you've never been doing. This kind of movie you've never done before, and you are doing an action in the movie also. So, what sort of challenges you've done, and what kind of martial arts and all this stuff you're doing?
मैंने इससे पहले कभी भी एक sword को नहीं पकड़ा है and for me just even holding the sword was challenging and not looking silly in it was an achievement. But of course I was directed by S.S. Rajamouli, so I had nothing to worry about. मैं जब सोची थी कि मैं कैसे करूँगी, I should just think about him. बिकॉज हम कितना भी ख़राब करें, कितना भी बुरा परफॉर्म करें, वो जब अपना कैमरा लगा देते हैं, वो जब शॉट लेते हैं तो वो अच्छा ही लगता है. सो लकी टू वर्क विद अ डायरेक्टर हु कैन जस्ट मेक इट ऑल लुक सो मैजिकल. एंड या सो इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी न्यू एक्सपीरियंस. एंड वेदर कंडीशंस काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग रहे हमारे लिए. एक शूट था जो बल्गेरिया में हुआ, जो -10 डिग्रीज़ में हुआ. एक मेरा शूट था जो महाबलेश्वर में हुआ इन पीक मानसून. एंड हमने पूरी शूटिंग वो बारिश में की. एंड वो मेरे कैरेक्टर का इंट्रोडक्शन था. सो इट्स क्वाइट चैलेंजिंग क्योंकि वो शुरुआत में ही आके ऐसे सब, वेदर इट सेल्फ सो चैलेंजिंग, बट रेन हो, स्टॉर्म हो, स्नो हो, कोई भी चीज़ राजमौली सर को रोक नहीं सकती. तो वो हमने देख लिया और बड़ा मज़ा आया ऐसे शूट करते हुए.